Well, it's just about supper time. So what are we going to have for supper this evening?
I want pizza.
What, we're camping?
I don't care, I want pizza.
Okay, we'll do a pizza in the black pot. Keep watching this video. Let's start by looking at the ingredients that we're going to need to make the pizza.
First we need a mixing bowl and a wooden spoon to mix our dough. We're going to use self-raising flour, olive oil, packet of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, pinch of salt. That's what we use. Obviously non-stick for our pot. That's what we use for the dough. Then for the pizza ingredients, the toppings on top, we're going to use some meats, salami, pastrami. We've got cheese, we've got blue cheese and avo. First we place half of the cup of water in the mixing bowl. Then the packet of yeast. And a teaspoon of sugar. And you mix it thoroughly and let it stand for about 10 minutes until a nice creamy paste. After 10 minutes, when your mixture is nice and creamy, you add your flour. Your olive oil. And your salt. Then you mix thoroughly again. Until you've got a nice elastic dough. Add birds of water. Then when your dough is ready, you turn it out on a lightly floured surface. Then you can start rolling it with a rolling pin, or we don't have one while camping, so we improvise. We roll it the right size for the pot.
Well, to prepare the pot, you can either smear it with butter or go the easiest way. We just use a non-stick spray and cook.
You cut your dough to the size of the pot, then you fit it in the pot. There we go. Then you add your toppings for your pizza. First your tomato paste for the base on the dough. Use salami, blue cheese and sun-dried tomatoes, but you can really put anything on your pizza. Break your blue cheese into pieces. You add your sun-dried tomatoes. Then you top it up with lots of cheese. There you go. Your pizza is ready for the oven or the fire oven.
Okay, I'm going to start the pizza by making the fire. So what I'm going to do is going to use charcoal. It's just better for me to use charcoal instead of wood because you get a warmer coal to use the pot as a type of oven, because this wood that we've got it doesn't make that good coal. So I've decided on some charcoal. You will see later on that it's much easier to heat the pot. Okay, our coals are just about ready for the pizza pot. So what's important is that there must be no coals under the pot. You don't need any coal because that will burn the pizza quite fast. So what you need is hot coals on the side of the pot and then on top of it. So let's just prep this quickly. That's good. We place the pot here in the middle. No coals on the bottom, and then you just put some coals on the lid of the pot. You don't need to put that many. I think about 5, 6 coals should be more than enough. Let's put 1 or 2 more. And as the din of the dough of the pizza is fairly thin, it cooks pretty quick, so you just need to let it go for about, let's say 15 minutes, and I'm going to check it quickly while the pizza's on the pot and it's cooking. Okay, the pizza's been going for about 12 to 15 minutes. The coals are pretty hot, that's why I say the coals for the charcoal works a bit better. Let's open the pot and see what it looks like. Oh, perfect pizza. Okay, let's take the pizza out of the pot. Perfect. Okay, let's see if we can cut the pizza. Someone eats it. There's just 2 of us, so half a pizza each.
On the homemade pizza.
Pizza, you got your pizza at the campsite.
Let's taste this.
Nice. Well, I hope you like this video on our pizza making here at the campsite. If you did, please press that like button and give it a thumbs up. Try your own pizza next time you camp, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.